In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change FreshBooks fiscal year end date. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find this setting, what it does, and how to update it confidently without disrupting your books. First, open FreshBooks in your web browser and head into your account. This works best on desktop, where all the accounting settings are easy to access. Make sure you're using a role with permission to manage company settings, since only owners or admins can change financial preferences. This fiscal year setting determines how FreshBooks groups your income and expenses for reports like profit and loss and balance sheet, so it's an important choice. Once you're in, click on Settings. You'll usually find it in the left-hand menu or as a small gear icon. This takes you to the area where you manage core business details and accounting preferences. Inside Settings, look for the option that says Add or Edit Financial Preferences for your business and click it. That opens your Finance Settings page. Here you'll see fields related to your accounting setup, including your fiscal year information. Find the fiscal year end field and change the date to the month and day that match your organization's reporting year. Many businesses end on December 31st, while others use dates like March 31st or June 30th, depending on regulations or seasonality. Pick the date that aligns with your tax year or the period your accountant expects. Remember, the fiscal year end is the last day of your financial year. For example, if you select March 31st, your fiscal year would typically run from April 1st through March 31st. Take a moment to confirm the selection is correct before saving, because this setting influences how FreshBooks slices your reports in comparative periods. If you're changing it mid-year, be aware that report totals and period-to-period comparisons may shift to reflect the new cutoff date. When in doubt, coordinate with your accountant so your bookkeeping and tax filings stay in sync. After you've set the correct date, click Save Changes to apply the update. FreshBooks will store your new fiscal year end and use it going forward in your reporting. If you see a confirmation message, that means you're all set. From now on, your financial statements will align with the date you chose, making it easier to close your books and prepare filings on schedule. That's it. You've successfully updated your fiscal year end in FreshBooks. Keep this setting consistent year to year unless your business or regulatory needs change, and you'll keep your reports clean and comparable.